In this question, what we're seeing here is a sample, because there are really many more people voting in the election. But for this sample, this adds up to 803 voters, which is what we were told. Now, the entire population actually has 6,424 people. Let's go ahead and imagine that the total number of people who voted for Cruz is the letter X, and the total who voted for Smith is the letter Y. Whenever you have a table of ratios like we do here, wherever you see a rectangle, you can create a proportion. So because we're able to create a rectangle there in green, we are allowed to say 483 over 803 equals X over 6424. Now we can cross multiply this to find the value of X. So that'll be 803X equals 483 times 6424. And you'll get a really giant number on the right. And when you divide that number by 803, you get X is equal to 3,864. So if we plug that in here, now we can just subtract to get the value of Y. That'll be 6,424 minus the 3,864, and that gives us 2,560. So now we've got all the values. We've got the exact number of people who voted for Cruz and for Smith. So now the question is asking us, by how many votes would Cruz be expected to win? So how many more? That's the idea of subtracting. So let's just do 3,864 minus 2,560. And on our calculators, that gives us 1,304, which is answer choice B here.